Welcome to the Murray State Minute. I'm Carrie McGinnis. The Murray State Bauernfeind College of Business makes a lasting impact on the lives of students, alumni, and the community, with 16 undergraduate and 6 graduate programs. In addition to classroom learning, students can gain hands-on experience through internships and activities outside the classroom.
Both Murray State broadly and the College of Business prepared me for my career is by giving me that critical thinking skill set that is so relevant. I can say that the faculty and staff here really do care about you, and they go above and beyond.
Generous donors and many of our alumni make it possible to award close to $400,000 in scholarships each year. Come and shape your future at the Murray State Bauernfeind College of Business. Want to view our latest video stories? Go to murraystate.edu/MSU Minute. Until next time, thanks for watching, and go Racers!